Everyone receiving aged care has the right to be safe and treated with respect. The Aged Care Code of Conduct, known as the Code, is in place to make sure you receive safe and quality aged care services. The Code applies to your registered provider, responsible persons, such as Chief Executive Officers and board members, and aged care workers, including volunteers. The Code sets out how your provider and the people delivering your care must behave and treat you. The Code includes the requirement to act with respect for your rights to freedom of expression, self-determination, and decision-making in accordance with applicable laws and conventions. Your registered provider must ask you what you want and need, talk to you in a way you understand, support you to make choices about your care, and support you to be yourself. Act in a way that treats you with dignity and respect and values your diversity. Your provider must respect your social, cultural, religious, and ethnic background and talk to you in a way that makes you feel comfortable and respected. Act with respect for your privacy. This includes keeping your personal information safe and confidential to ensure your privacy is protected in line with legislation and your individual needs and wants. It also requires workers to check in with you before delivering funded aged care services to make sure you feel comfortable and safe. Deliver your funded aged care services in a safe and competent manner with care and skill. This includes using equipment safely and having the right skills, experience, and qualifications to perform their jobs. Act with integrity, honesty, and transparency. This includes being honest about what they see, treating you fairly, acting in your best interests, and helping you to understand more about your care and services. Promptly take steps to raise and act on concerns about matters which may impact on the quality and safety of funded aged care services. This means you should be asked if you're happy about your care and services and encouraged to speak up if you have any feedback, complaints, or concerns. Deliver you safe aged care services free from all forms of violence, discrimination, exploitation, neglect and abuse, including sexual misconduct. Take reasonable steps to prevent and respond to these behaviours. This means everyone must understand what discrimination, violent, abusive, and neglectful behaviours look like and know how to respond to prevent harm to you and others. The Code requires your provider, responsible persons, and aged care workers to deliver your care in a way that is kind, honest, and respectful. If you believe your provider, responsible person, or a worker is not following the Code, it is safe to raise it with your provider. If you're not comfortable speaking to your provider, or you're not satisfied with their response, you can raise your concerns with an advocate, the Older Persons Advocacy Network, OPAN, or directly to the Aged Care Quality and Safety Commission,